Okay guys, for today's recipe, I make adobong sitaw. I got onion and garlic. And then, meron tayong tofu, pangsawag sa sitaw, adobong sitaw. Request ng friend ko to, she's vegetarian. Then guys, maglagay tayo ng onion. And then garlic. And then mix it well. Singkutsayin natin. Okay guys, lagyan natin ng soy sauce. Half cup. And then lagyan natin ng 1/3 cup of vinegar. Mix it well. Then lagyan natin ng salt, black pepper. Then lagyan natin 2 tablespoons of sugar para may tamis. Then guys, lalagay ko yung sitaw. So hindi ko muna linagay yung sawog, yung tofu kasi luto na yung tofu. So mamaya ako lalagay yung tofu pag lumambo na yung sitaw. Okay guys, and then lagay natin ng water 2 cups. Okay, para palambutin natin yung sitaw. Yan po, malapit ng maluto. Lagyan natin ng konting sesame oil. Sesame oil, optional lang to. Okay guys, my adobong sitaw is done. Thanks for watching guys. God bless. Bye-bye. Please like and share. Subscribe. Melissa, ito na yung request mo. Adobong sitaw. Bye-bye.